Hello guys, welcome and let's do this question. I read the question first. A piece of wire p centimeters long is bent as shown. Express x in terms of p and r. So guys, we are supposed to express x in terms of p and r. And then we are told show that area, that is the area of this figure, is equals to pi r squared over 2 plus 1 over 8 the bracket p minus pi r close the bracket squared. And so guys, now we start to do the question. And the question states, first express, we are now expressing, so guys, we are supposed to express x in terms of p and r. And we are told guys that the string length of that string is supposed to be p. And so therefore guys, we shall have p is equals to x plus x, which is 2x, and now plus, guys, this forms a semicircle, of which the semicircle perimeter is pi d, and pi d, guys, you know it is 2r, and now this is for the circle, complete circle. Now we divide by 2 for the semicircle. So guys, that is our equation. And so therefore p is equals to 2x plus, this comes now to pi r. Guys, the question states express x in terms of p and r. Guys, now we make x the subject of the formula. And so therefore, we can now bring p here and say we bring this pi r on this other side, which comes now to p minus pi r. This is now equal to 2x, and finally we divide here by 2, divide here by 2. And therefore, guys, our equation then is going to be x is equal to p minus pi r all over 2. And so therefore, guys, we are able to express x in terms of p and r. And so, guys, this is our first solution. We go now to the next question. So, guys, the next question is show that area A is equals to pi r squared over 2 plus 1 over 8, now p minus pi r, and you square that. Guys, the first thing we find is the area of this semicircle. And the area of the semicircle is actually equal to pi r squared all over 2. So this is the equals to, we can call it A1. Let's call it that one A1. After we get that, guys, we now come to the area of this triangle. The triangle, I have now drawn it right here, whereby this x is here and this x is here. The area of a triangle is a half base. For us, the base here is x times height. And so therefore, it will be another x here, so it becomes now a half x squared. This is now, we call this, let's say this is A2. And so therefore, guys, this is our A2. Guys, now we can combine both together. That is A1 plus A2. So we shall have pi. This now comes to, we get the area from there, is pi over, that is, here we have r squared, all over 2, now plus this, plus a half multiplied by x squared. Guys, remember we had x as p minus pi r over 2. And that's what, guys, we are now going to do. We are now going to put P minus pi r all over 2, and this is now squared. And therefore, guys, our solution then is going to be A equals to pi r squared all over 2 plus, guys, we can see this is 2 squared, which is 4 times 2. This one comes to 1 over 8. And this now is P minus pi r, and all that we now square. And so, guys, we are able to prove this formula. And thank you guys for listening to me. Bye bye.